friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I'm going to unbag and try on the products in my latest Apocalyptic Beauty subscription bag. First things first, I want to start by saying my cheeks are a little crazy looking because when I went to put on my bronzer, I realized the brush I picked up had some black on it. I tried to even it out and just work with it, but my cheeks are a little grayish looking, but it actually works out because this month's theme is Living Dead Girl. This is the bag we got this month. It's just this really pretty satiny black. We got 4 makeup products in the box. We got a cute little skull sticker. I don't know where I'm gonna put that, but I'm gonna put it somewhere. And I got some Skulls and Bones Sweet Tarts candies that I will absolutely eat up later. I have literally nothing going on today at all, so we're just gonna play with some makeup. It's Sunday. I had a really chill day actually for once. It's been a long time coming that I actually had a chill day, but felt like filming, so here we are. If you haven't seen one of my videos before, Apocalyptic Beauty is a monthly subscription service. They're also a brand, but they have a monthly subscription service that I subscribe to. They don't know my existence. I pay for this with my own money. It's $12.50 a month, and it's always kind of Halloween-y, creepy themed, and I love it. It's like a cute little Halloween treat every single month, and I'm really impressed by their products every single month. It's a cruelty-free brand. They might completely be vegan, but I'm not totally sure on that, but I know they're cruelty-free because I only use cruelty-free brands on my channel. So let's go over the stuff that's inside. We got a lip gloss called Livor Mortis, and that is named for the pooling of blood in the body after death. That's brutal. Ooh, that's a really interesting color. I mean, obviously it's sheer because it's more of a gloss, but it's kind of like a brownish, violet-ish, reddish shift. That's cool. I'll try it by itself. If it doesn't look good by itself, I will lay it over something else. I always butcher the names, so just bear with me. The first shadow we got is Lenore. It is named for the Roman Durg comic, Lenore the Cute Little Dead Girl. And it's this really pretty purple color. It's actually really nice. It's not a total matte, it's a little bit of a satin, but I feel like you could pull it off working as a matte just fine. This next one is called Cemetery Things. This is named after Rob Zombie's Living Dead Girl song, and it is just a matte gray. Doesn't show up too much on my hand with the swatch, but hopefully it'll build up fine on the lid. Not too concerned about it. It doesn't look patchy, it's just very light. And this last one is called Decay. It's just a green color, and it's supposed to represent rot. Essentially. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's a very interesting combination of colors. I don't know if I would have normally paired these kinds of colors together, but I'm interested in trying them out on my eyeballs. I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyes with the Smashbox Lid Primer. So I'm gonna go in with Cemetery Things first on a fluffy brush. I have a fair amount on my brush. And we're just gonna try, ooh, I did not tap off enough of the excess. And we're just going to run this through the crease. Oh, that's so much better. Blend it out on the lid with a brush. There's so much more pigment than on my hand here. That's good. That is actually a really, really pretty gray. It's so soft looking. It's not being weird at all. It's just blending. All of their shadows seem to blend like a dream. I had a little bit of trouble with their very first bag that I subscribed to. I don't remember the theme, but it had a bunch of purples, and the purples were just being kind of weird, so I'm a little worried about the purple in this bag. But we'll see how it performs. It could be fine. I'm not gonna judge it before I try it. I'm also just gonna take a small amount and run it all under the lower lash line as well. Just really blending and smoking it out. I love this color. I would honestly wear this just smudged all over my lid and blown out and be good to go. I think it's so, so pretty. Maybe even with some glitter. I don't think I've ever been that impressed with a gray before. It shouldn't be that impressive, but I just think it's so pretty. So what I was thinking next is to pack that purple shade kind of all over the lid and just blend it out, and then maybe pop that green in my inner corner. That's what I think I'm gonna do. You always wanna make sure with these shadows you tap off the excess because they are loose, so it's a lot of pigment. I'm just gonna use one of the Anastasia dual-ended brushes. I'm using the shadow side, and I'm just gonna start packing this all over the lid. And then once it's totally packed on, then I will blend it out. This shade is so interesting. It's almost a duochrome because it has a reddish brownish shift to it. It's so unique, especially for it being not a really shimmery shade. I'm really kind of enticed by it. I'm smudging some of this under my lower lash line as well, and I know it's not blended yet. I haven't gotten there quite yet. I'm just taking a very, very, very small amount on the blending side, and then I'm just gonna start using light motions just to blend out those edges into that gray. And it's actually blending really, really nicely. It's blending super seamlessly. This is such a cool look. This is very much a like living dead girl kind of look. It's definitely nailing the concept. I think it's so pretty. It looks like I have so many more shadows on my lid than I actually do. Now I'm gonna pick up a teeny bit of that green, and this might be a mistake, we'll see. I just have it on a really random no-name brush. I don't even know where this brush came from. But I'm just gonna pop this in the inner corner. I don't know if it's gonna do much. If anything, I'll pop some of my regular highlighter over top of it, but we'll see. Yeah, that's not really doing much. Not because it's not a cool color or anything, it's just more of a muted gray based green. So if anything, what I probably should have done is also thrown this in the crease with that gray. But I mean, it's not bad. But it's definitely the least exciting color out of the bunch. I'm just gonna pick up some of the highlighter I used on my face. This is the Give Me Glow White Noise highlight. And I'm just using that same little brush just to pop in my inner corner. And you totally don't even have to highlight your inner corner. I just absolutely live for an inner corner highlight, so you can't stop me. In a different look, when you're more showcasing the green, I think it could be a really, really cool, just muted, grungy, gray-green look. It just wasn't a good use of color, my fault. I'm going to throw on some lashes just because I really want to wear some, and we can put on the lip gloss. I have my lashes on. I did my Bold Face Mega Babe lashes. I feel like I've used these so much. This might even be my last use with them because they're falling apart. But now let's put on this gloss, shall we? I'm going to, again, try it by itself. If it looks weird, I'll just take it off and put a lipstick on first and then put it on over it. So I don't feel like the shift translates as much on the lips as it does like on the swatch. But it does have that little bit of a shift. When my lips hit the light the right way, in person at least, I can see that little bit of like a bluey purple. It's really cool. It feels really good on the lips. I did a few layers just to try to build it up as opaque as I could, and even with all those layers, it feels good. If anything, it just kind of feels like I have a lip mask on and it feels really hydrating. It doesn't feel gooey. I feel like this would last a decent amount of time, and I feel like it would just fade nicely. I don't feel like it's gonna get gooey and nasty like some glosses tend to do. I've been really impressed with the lip glosses I've gotten in my Apocalyptic Beauty bags, and this one might be my favorite one I've tried so far. I think it's really pretty and it feels really nice on the lips. So I guess that's it. This is the full completed look. I really hope you like it. Let me know what you think of it. I think this came out better than I thought it was going to. I mean, it's not that outlandishly exciting, but I also think it's really pretty. I feel like it really does kind of match the living dead girl theme, and I really, really like it. Again, I don't really have an issue with the green per se. I just think I used it wrong. It's not super shimmery or anything like that. If anything, most of these were more on the matte-ish side. Have any of you tried this brand? I know a few of you have even told me that you thought about signing up or have signed up because of my videos with them, so that's really cool. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I do. I really enjoyed this bag. If you guys got this subscription this month, let me know what you thought of it. Let's chat about it. This is one of my favorite subscriptions I get. I feel like it's really affordable and really unique and really underrated. I feel like more people should know about it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.